My name is Eugenia Siapera and I joined the School of Communications about 1.5 years ago. My research interests are in the field of social media and communication, and specifically social media and politics and social media and journalism. I have done a lot of research in the area of political conduct and political participation in social media, also in terms of political conflict and social media. For example, in an article I've looked at how Palestinians used Twitter in the context of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. In more recent work, I'm looking at more negative aspects of social media communication, and specifically how racist or hate speech spill over in the environment of social media. For example, I'm looking at organized groups, racist groups such as the Golden Dawn in Greece, but also in random racist speech that we find in environments such as Facebook or Twitter. So we're looking at this and we're hoping to find ways of countering this or limiting this kind of phenomena. In terms of journalism, I have looked at how the new media environment has completely and drastically changed journalism in the ways in which it is practiced and in the ways in which it is consumed. So more people now read the news on their tablets or their phones rather than buy newspaper. So we're looking at this and the broader environment of journalism and how it has changed. But I'm also interested in other kinds of pressures on journalists, specifically in terms of their safety. So I'm part of a broader European network, and we're looking at 11 countries and how journalism is affected in these countries and the kinds of threats that journalists face in their everyday work. So some of significant findings have come across through this project, and specifically the role that job insecurity plays in journalism, and the more insecure journalists feel in their job, the more likely it is for them to fall prey to pressures. So this is part of what I'm doing, and I have to say that this is a very exciting field. Social media is a rising field, a very dynamic field, and I'm hoping that even more interesting work, even more interesting research is going to take place in the next few years.